Hello and welcome to this video about neurodiversity and its relation to autism. Neurodiversity is a concept that is becoming more and more important in discussions about autism and other neurological differences. In this video, we will explore what neurodiversity is, how it relates to autism, and why it is an important perspective to consider. What is neurodiversity? Neurodiversity is the idea that differences in neurological function are natural and should be respected and valued, just like any other form of diversity. The term was coined by the Australian social scientist Judy Singer in the late 1990s, and it has since been embraced by many people who experience neurological differences, including autism, ADHD, dyslexia, and others. The neurodiversity perspective challenges the traditional medical model of disability, which views differences in neurological function as problems to be fixed or cured. Instead, the neurodiversity perspective recognizes that neurological differences can bring both challenges and strengths, and that people with these differences should be accepted and supported, rather than pathologized or stigmatized. How does neurodiversity relate to autism? Autism is a neurological difference that affects the way a person communicates, socializes, and experiences the world. People with autism may have difficulties with social communication, sensory processing, and executive functioning, but they may also have unique strengths and abilities in areas like pattern recognition, attention to detail, and creativity. From a neurodiversity perspective, autism is not a disorder or a disease, but rather a natural variation in human neurology. This means that people with autism should not be seen as broken or in need of fixing, but rather as valuable members of society who bring unique perspectives and strengths. The neurodiversity perspective also challenges some of the negative stereotypes and stigmas that are often associated with autism. For example, people with autism are sometimes portrayed as lacking empathy or being unable to form meaningful relationships. However, research has shown that these stereotypes are not accurate, and that people with autism are fully capable of empathy and connection, albeit in different ways than neurotypical people. Why is the neurodiversity perspective important? The neurodiversity perspective is important for a number of reasons. Firstly, it recognizes and values the contributions of people with neurological differences to society. Just like any other form of diversity, neurodiversity can bring different perspectives, talents, and insights that can enrich our communities and workplaces. Secondly, the neurodiversity perspective can help to reduce stigma and promote acceptance of people with autism and other neurological differences. When we view these differences as natural variations rather than disorders or diseases, we are less likely to see people with autism as broken or defective. Finally, the neurodiversity perspective can also help to promote better support and accommodations for people with autism and other neurological differences. Rather than focusing solely on fixing or curing these differences, we can instead work to create environments and systems that are more inclusive and supportive of diverse neurological needs. In conclusion, neurodiversity is a powerful and important perspective that challenges traditional views of disability and difference. By recognizing and valuing the diversity of human neurology, we can create a more inclusive and accepting society that values the contributions and strengths of all individuals, regardless of their neurological differences. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video has helped to deepen your understanding of neurodiversity and its relation to autism. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on related topics.